Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your Wix store to Quixess so you can sell more with less. Once you're logged into Quixess, go to the left menu and click Sales Channels. This is where all your store integrations live. Find Wix in the list and click Integrate. This opens your Wix setup screen in Quixess. You'll see a field for Alias. Alias is optional, but it's very useful if you plan to connect more than one Wix site. Type in a clear alias that helps you recognize this store later. For example, Wix Main Store, US Wix Site, or Brand Landing Store. When you're ready, click Validate Connection. Quixess will now redirect you to the Wix website so you can authenticate securely. On the Wix screen, log in with your Wix account if you're not already signed in. Then select the store or site you want to connect to Quixess and approve the requested permissions. Once you've confirmed access, Wix will send you back to Quixess. Your Wix channel will now show as connected, and Quixess can start syncing products, inventory, and orders automatically. Next, open the fee setup section for Wix inside Quixess. Here you can configure platform fees, or keep them low, even close to zero, if you mainly want to cover subscription and basic costs. Then go to Other Fees Setup. Use this to map extra costs like ads, promos, or handling fees, so Quixess can calculate a more accurate profit per order for your Wix store. If the connection fails at any point, double-check your Wix login, make sure you chose the correct site, and repeat the Validate Connection step. And that's it! Your Wix store is now fully integrated with Quixess, so you can automate more, guess less, and sell more with less.